Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back. I have another kitchen remodel update for you, and today I'm bringing you this mudroom area or a drop zone. It's right next to our back door, which I did a tutorial for you earlier, so I will link that up in the iCards as well as down in the description box below if you'd like to go check out that makeover and that before and after. But today I'm going to be sharing with you how this whole area right here started and what it looks like now. So let's get started with transformation. Here's a before look of the back side of the kitchen that we are making over. And I started this project by taping off all of the white trim. We also gave the trim a fresh coat of white paint to freshen it up. I wanted to choose a color that was still warm but nice, bright, and refreshing too. So we went with this Glidden paint from Walmart, the high endurance interior paint plus primer. And we actually chose a color from the Kilz color collection. And this color is called Dry Mountains. I used a small paint roller and a paintbrush to edge in the paint next to the painter's tape to help keep those lines crisp and clean. And then I used a big paint roller to paint on the rest. We kind of splurged and got a nicer paint roller for this, one that had a little bit more fluff and was cotton. And I definitely suggest going this route if you've got a lot of space to paint. It actually makes such a difference. The extra cost is definitely worth it. I was really happy with the way this paint went on the walls. I am not sponsored by these companies at all. This is my own personal views, but the paint did cover really well. I did 2 coats of paint just to make sure I had good coverage. And I did a different approach to this. Usually in rooms, I trim everything and then I roll everything. But in here, I trimmed and then went and painted. And instead of moving the ladder all the way around the room, I just stayed in the one section of the room and trimmed and painted as I went along. I was really pleased with this color. I wanted something that was going to brighten up the room but also still stay real warm and cozy and inviting, and this color definitely did that. It's almost like a tan but with a gray undertone. Next, we tackled this doorway. It never had a door in it, so we had to build the door frame. And we also purchased a new door from Lowe's, which needed to be ripped down just a little bit so we can make it fit into the space. This process was a lot more tedious than I'm making it look here. Because this is a 100-year-old home, there was nothing square or level about that space. So it was a lot of work, but it was definitely worth all the effort to see the end result. So here's a look at the empty space, and now it's finally time to add the accessories. And here's one last look at the space before the makeover, and then the huge transformation to what it looks like now. It always amazes me how much paint can change a room, from not just the color, but also even the mood of the room. I love how now this space feels much more open and airy and just refreshing. I also love that this space will be functional so that we can hang our coats and jackets and put our shoes on, so it's a great functional space as well. The bench is actually a true trash to treasure. I found it alongside the road. Somebody was throwing it out and I cut it down, refinished it, and gave it a new top, so it's for sure a true trash to treasure. This lovely woven rug is beige and black striped, and it's from IKEA. It's just the perfect right size, and I love the way it anchors this space. This hook wall unit is from Kirkland's. I wanted something that had several hooks on it for adding our coats to, but I really love this because it has the shelf on the top, so I like that I have the option that I can decorate the top of that or change it out for the different holidays and seasons. I am so happy with the way this whole project turned out, and I can't wait to start using this space. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial along with me. I hope you will subscribe and join us as we continue this kitchen remodel. You can also hit the bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live. I hope that this tutorial inspired you. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. And I want to thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.